Okay, students, we are finishing up our chapter on rational numbers. So we're moving on to our last operation with fractions, and that's division today. Remember, we're practicing working with fractions and working with negatives, and we're putting the two skills together in this chapter. So quick reminder on just fractions. This is just a reminder on how we divide fractions. When we're dividing fractions, we're going to change it into multiplication. And we're going to do that using a process called keep. So we keep the first fraction the same. We change the division sign, or we change the operation from division into multiplication, and then we flip. So we flip the second fraction and take its reciprocal. So keep, change, flip. All right, let's practice one without negatives, and then we'll start throwing the negatives in there. Excuse me. Okay, so 5/11. Step one, we're going to keep 5/11. Then we're going to change the division sign into multiplication. And then finally, we are going to flip the 1/2. So it becomes, instead of 1/2, it becomes 2/1. Keep, change, flip. After we've done that, we just simply multiply straight across. 5 times 2 is 10. 11 times 1 is 11. So our answer is 10/11. Okay, let's try another one. Let's put a negative on there this time. So I'm going to throw a negative in there, and we've got an improper fraction. So this one we're making really, really complicated. So the first thing that we want to do anytime that we have improper fractions with mixed numbers, I gave away the answer before I started. Anytime we have a mixed number, just like with multiplication, we need to make this improper. So we'll do that first. So 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. So this is negative 19/8 divided by, 2 needs to become 2/1. So they both have to be in fraction form. All right, so now let's go through our steps. We're going to keep the first fraction, negative 19/8. We're going to change the division into multiplication. And then we are going to flip 2/1 into 1/2. Okay, now that we have our problem set up, we've got a negative. So now we're going back and we're taking all these things we have to remember from previous chapters and previous years. Math is that one and kind of unique thing about it is that it builds. So all the skills you've learned before, you're going to keep needing to know how to do forever. So coming back to our Mickey Mouse, we've got a negative 19. We've got a positive 1/2. And so that means our answer will be negative. So negative. Now I just multiply straight across. 19 times 1 is 19. 8 times 2 is 16. And I can make that into a mixed number, -1 and 3/16.